What's up, CarRev3 fam? Let me tell you, Audi just threw a massive curveball with the completely brand new 2027 A6 Allroad, and it is an absolute stunner. When you first catch a glimpse of this wagon, you would swear it is a full-blown RS6 because the stance is wildly aggressive. But get this, that menacing blacked-out vibe is actually just the standard factory body kit. They gave this family hauler a serious shot of adrenaline with these incredibly dark, high-gloss black wheel arches and a massive front grille that features super chunky vertical slats. It gives the entire front end an imposing look, especially when paired with those tinted 3D Audi rings. Rolling around to the side profile, the car sits on beefy 21-inch wheels that fill up the fenders perfectly. Plus, they widened the rear track by almost 3 inches, so the stance is wide, planted, and ready to grip the road. Out back, the design stays extremely sharp with a gorgeous OLED light strip running across the tailgate and dual RS-style exhaust cutouts that keep the sporty energy flowing. Stepping into the cabin, the vibe matches that sinister exterior with a dark, moody aesthetic that feels ultra-premium. The dash is dominated by modern technology, including a stunning 14.5-inch OLED infotainment display right in the center and an incredibly crisp 11.9-inch digital gauge cluster for the driver. Yes, the bezels around the screens are a bit thick, but the graphics are razor-sharp, and the system is lightning fast. Audi also listened to the hardcore fans and finally brought back physical jog wheels on the steering wheel, which is a massive win for usability while driving. You get wrapped in sophisticated multi-contour front seats that offer a crazy amount of electric adjustability, though the padding is definitely tuned on the firmer side. The center console is draped in beautiful matte wood trim that contrasts perfectly with the vibrant ambient lighting, which cleverly flashes bright red whenever you adjust the climate control. Hopping into the back, the rear seats do feel just a little snug on legroom if you have taller passengers up front, but they still get treated to a killer 4-zone climate setup and manual sunshades to keep things comfortable. Popping open the power tailgate reveals about 16 cubic feet of cargo space, and if you fold those rear seats flat, you get nearly 79 inches of usable floor length, which is perfect for hauling gear on a weekend getaway. Powering this beast for the US market is an incredibly punchy 3-liter turbocharged V6 engine, kicking out a solid 367 HP. That power plant rockets this heavy luxury wagon from 0 to 60 in just under 5 seconds, which is wild for a utility vehicle of this size. The true party trick is hidden inside the advanced adaptive air suspension system. You can dump the ride height by a full 20 millimeters in dynamic mode for carving tight canyons, or pump it way up for maximum clearance when the pavement ends. Paired with the highly capable Audi Ultra Quattro all-wheel drive system that biases power straight to the rear wheels, it delivers a genuinely engaging rear drive sensation when pushed hard out of corners. As for the sticker price, European specs are starting near $83,000, but fully loaded models are easily brushing past $110,000, so expect the US variants to hit those exact same premium brackets. This luxury wagon goes head-to-head with the Mercedes E-Class all-terrain, but honestly, this hyper-aggressive styling puts the Audi in a completely different league. If you want supercar looks paired with true off-road capability and everyday practicality, this is hands down the ultimate move for your garage. If you guys enjoyed this deep dive, do me a huge favor and crush that like button. Make sure you subscribe and keep it locked to CarRev3 because we have plenty of incredible reviews dropping soon. Catch you guys later.